Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss the differences between cash flow and free cash flow in a simple and easy-to-understand way. Both concepts are very important in accounting, finance, and business decision-making because they help us understand how much cash a company generates and how efficiently it manages its finances. Let's explore the major differences one by one. Number 1. Cash flow refers to the total movement of cash into and out of a business, whereas free cash flow refers to the cash remaining after capital expenditures are deducted. Number 2. Cash flow is a broader financial concept, whereas free cash flow is a narrower concept focusing on usable cash. Number 3. Cash flow includes operating, investing, and financing activities, whereas free cash flow mainly focuses on operating cash after investments. Number 4. Cash flow is calculated by total cash inflows minus cash outflows, whereas free cash flow is calculated as operating cash flow minus capital expenditures. Number 5. Cash flow includes spending on fixed assets and investments, whereas free cash flow subtracts those expenditures to show leftover cash. Number 6. Cash flow helps measure overall liquidity of a business, whereas free cash flow helps measure financial flexibility. Number 7. Cash flow is useful for short-term cash management, whereas free cash flow is more useful for long-term strategic planning. Number 8. Cash flow is widely used by management, creditors, and investors, whereas free cash flow is mainly used by investors and analysts. Number 9. Cash flow indicates the company's ability to pay short-term obligations, whereas free cash flow indicates the ability to create shareholder value. Number 10. Cash flow appears directly in the cash flow statement, whereas free cash flow is usually calculated separately by analysts. Number 11. Cash flow may fluctuate heavily because of operating or financing activities, whereas free cash flow is relatively more stable and focused on core operations. Number 12. Cash flow includes all cash transactions of the company, whereas free cash flow includes only the cash available after essential investments. Number 13. Positive cash flow does not always mean extra money is available, whereas positive free cash flow means cash is available for dividends, debt repayment, or expansion. Number 14. Cash flow focuses more on liquidity and solvency, whereas free cash flow focuses more on profitability and value creation. Number 15. Cash flow can be positive even when a company spends heavily on assets, whereas free cash flow may become lower due to high capital expenditures. Number 16. Cash flow helps in understanding total cash generation and usage, whereas free cash flow helps in evaluating the true financial strength of a company. So, these were the key differences between cash flow and free cash flow. Understanding these concepts helps businesses, investors, and financial analysts make better financial decisions and evaluate company performance more effectively. If this lecture was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.